Hello YouTube, Bushcraft Woods Devil here. Welcome to Fun Knife Friday. Today for Fun Knife Friday I'm going to show you a little key-shaped folding knife that I picked up at Harbor Freight. And I was in there browsing earlier today and came across this on an end cap, and it was marked for 99 cents, not even a whole dollar. And I thought, wow, this would be a great little knife to show for Fun Knife Friday. But I also picked it up for a reason. Sometimes in some situations you really don't want to pull out your pocket folding knife. Maybe you have a buck 110 or maybe a Benchmade or something. And you just need a little blade to cut open maybe a box or an envelope to read some mail or something. And maybe you don't want to dull your primary pocket knife for such a mundane task. Well, having something like this on your key ring could be a pretty handy little tool. You don't have to go any effort to get your knife out. It's very discreet. It's not going to alarm anybody, especially in these times we live in where there's so many snowflakes that get upset when they see something. So yeah, you know, it fills a niche. It's a small, little, discreet blade, and nobody's going to get too worked up about it. You might also work in an office or in a workplace that has a policy about no so-called edged weapons. Management that does not understand the difference between a weapon and a tool. But I thought, you know, this would be handy to have on my key ring for those times that I just want to pop something open, or maybe trim a fingernail or something, maybe trim a cuticle. So here you have it. So this is a 2-inch long key-shaped folding knife. The blade is 1 5/8 inches. So I pre-sliced this package. It is not locking. It's just a slip joint. Looks very much like a brass key. It'll probably be very much unnoticed on your key ring unless it had very close examination, and why would it? But snaps out into place. Spring is decent. Got to push on it pretty good. Closes right up. As to sharpness, feels pretty sharp. I really hate those cutting tests on eBay, excuse me, on YouTube, but yeah, here I go. Gonna So yeah, got a respectable edge. Decent little cutter, you know, good enough to cut a box open, or no, my cat's down here chewing on my tripod. Go on. Anyway, yeah, sharp enough. It's pretty much a sheep's foot type of a blade here. Okay, what are you doing? Stop. Come here. Come here, you. Wow. No. Don't you do that. Okay. Fun Knife Friday interrupted by a really bad cat. Uh-huh. Run, run, you coward. Okay. Well, we dealt with that. I didn't even have to use a knife. She's actually a pretty good cat, but she has her moments. She wants attention. Okay, so anyway, 1 5/8 inch blade, 2 inches overall. Pretty discreet. Could make this part of your bug out kit, you know, just those little extra things that we carry on our person. A little stash knife, those little what if SHTF type tools too, you know. Yeah, basically just a handy little knife. So there you have it, 99 cents, Harbor Freight, key-shaped folding knife. One other thing I should mention, they make a lock blade version, which has a locking blade, and it's a 50-50 blade. It's roughly about the same size, and it has a 50-50 serration and straight edge, and it's a silver colored key and a lock back. So you might want to look at that. It's $3.99 regularly priced. I'm not sure it's worth that to me. It might be to somebody else. Again, it could be real discreet on a key ring. It's more of a clip point or a pen, kind of a pen blade. But maybe if it goes on sale, I might pick one of those up. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thanks for checking in today, and we will chat with you later, if the cat allows it. The cat's the boss. Bye.